We test fitted our new top today. Some of you that were in here may have noticed that it was just an old oak board. So we decided to replace that. We have to scribe it in around the wall a little bit better, but you can kind of maybe see the detail on the edge. We made that at the shop where I work, so yeah, that turned out a lot better. I'm not sure where the board went. I'll see, might be in here. You can see what was in there before. Yep, there it is. It's behind here. So it was just that old oak board. It was sort of stained, but not really finished. So we got that out of there. And I think it works well because it matches the fireplace mantle now. So, yep, we're getting there, making progress.